with another video. I want to start this one off by saying thank you, because we've just had a great response with that new series, Become Your Best, and I'm sure it's because everyone was sharing it, telling people about it and everything like that. So I just wanted to say thank you. I really appreciate that. I got another episode coming out on meal prepping real soon. So for this video today, I know it's been a while since we've done like a workout motivation video. So I got together with my buddy Josh over at Vogelitis Bodybuilding. Got a little arm workout. Hopefully you guys like it. But we're gonna start it right now.